All right, we're gonna start off in SketchUp in a new shape, and we're gonna name this. Your name. Okay, plate. Put your name here. Okay, don't put your name. All right, so first thing we're going to do, start off, we're going to go R for rectangle tool, drag out in this direction, and I'm going to go 2 inches, comma, by 1.75 inches. And if there's any spring in your mouse, you may need to readjust. 2 inches, comma, 1.75 inches, and we hit enter. And you're going to see it goes down to almost nothing. We're going to get rid of this dude now and zoom in on this teeny tiny little rectangle. The next thing we're going to do is use the tape measure tool and come in. We're going to do a guideline. Okay. Tape measure tool for guidelines. Okay, go ahead and save that. Tape measure tool. There we go. We want 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to bring in from all sides 1/4 of an inch, or I guess from 3 sides. We're going to use these guidelines to do the 2-point arc tool right here. We're going to go from intersection to intersection and tangent to the edge, and then intersection to intersection, and then also tangent to the edge. Okay. Tap E for the eraser key, and we're going to go ahead and erase those edges. 1, 2. And then over here to the glasses and delete all guides. And then go ahead and put that menu away. All right, the next thing we're going to do is use this guy, which is the arc tool. And we're going to go to where the midpoint is, which is that cyan dot. We click 1 time here. Go up, it'll go at increments. We want to go to 1/4 of an inch, click again, swing around, and click again, okay? It's a 3-click tool. We're going to draw a line from here to here, okay? Now we're going to use the offset tool, which the keyboard shortcut is F. So we're going to click here and drag in, and then you're going to go 0.088 inches and hit enter. I'm going to zoom in on this area and go here. We're going to go 0.088. Make sure that that's 0.088. My mouse is moving, sorry. We're going to go 0.088 inches and hit enter. We're going to draw a line from here using the red guide to this on edge and do it again over here on edge. We're going to delete some things now. So we're going to select this. I'm using the space bar to grab the selection tool. Select this, this, and then this guy. Okay. Over here, we need to add some lines to extend this. And then also over here, and then select this part to delete. Okay. So we have this shape. I'm going to grab the move tool, which is M, and I kind of wiggle around on there and click, and you'll see that blue dot disappear. And then I click the up arrow, and it goes on blue axis. Then I gesture up, and I'm going to go up 0.25 inches and hit enter. Now, when I swing around to the left side here, you can see that geometry is all wiggly and strange. So I'm going to click this part out and redraw some of this. So we're going to go line up to here. We're grabbing all those green dots. Okay. In here, I'm going to add a line from there to there. Okay. Add a line from there to there. And then this side got all strange. So what I'm going to do is start deleting things. Okay. I'm going to start by deleting this line, and then continue deleting until it snaps back right there. That's the good point, okay? I'm going to do the same thing here. Delete, 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 delete. There we go. And with that, I'm going to use the line tool and just keep coming up to the top and down. kind of going around this, making it look like the corner of a tablecloth. You want the green dots. Okay, eventually it's going to fill it all in. You want no blue faces. It's like the reverse of a shirt, if this happens to you. So you want to hit reverse faces. If at any point you get blue faces, that's what you need to do. Over here, same thing. And eventually it's just going to pop and snap the whole thing in. Yay. Okay. At this point, we're going to rotate to the top. Okay. Go ahead and hit save as we're going along. And now we're going to go in, offset tool, click in. We're going to go in 0.25 inches and hit enter. Okay. Because we dragged in so much, it took away our rounded edge. So we want to put that back. Click on the edge with the tape measure tool, and we're going to go to 3/16 of an inch. So I'm clicking out, kind of using that snapping 3/16 of an inch. Again, back to the 2-point arc tool. I'm going to go 1, 2, and tangent to edge. 1, 2, and tangent to edge. Using the eraser, grab those 2 lines, grab these 2 lines, and I'm going to turn this guide off. Okay. And then turn this guy, okay. We're going to grab the line tool with the L key and go out on the edge and delete this line. And then I'm going to go F with the offset and then bring in 0.044 inches and hit enter. Over here, I'm going to go L key, L key. Okay, so that gives us this looking shape. And you'll notice that all of this is deleted. So we're going to take the line tool and go across. Okay. And again, it gives us 2 blue faces, which are not going to work for 3D printing. So want to right click and hit reverse faces, right click, reverse faces. All right, the last thing for this, make sure you're saving as you go along. SketchUp does not auto-save. We're going to go M, move tool again, and we're going to click on this face. Nope. If you accidentally select something you don't want, you can tap the space bar to get out of it. We'll go here, click that, and then the up arrow, which gives on blue axis, and we're going to go down, gesture down, and we're going to go down 1/8 of an inch. It should snap to the points. You can see it over there in the distance, 1/8 of an inch. Then you're going to click to finish that. Congratulations, you guys. Okay, so that's our little tray. Okay, and then what we're going to do is select the entire thing. You're going to go M for the move tool, and I'm going to grab this corner and start moving to the right. As I start moving to the right, I'm going to tap the control key, and it leaves a copy behind. You're going to go ahead and take it about over here, so where it's past the other shape, and click and place it. Now, while it's still selected, I want you guys to right-click, and we're going to go flip along red direction, and it's going to reverse it. Now, we're going to zoom in here, click here on that point, and then just click there, and it welds the 2 together. So now they're actually one shape, which is pretty neat. So you were able to model the whole thing by only modeling half. Go ahead, delete all these lines. Okay. And we're done with part 1.